Hello, this is Hitansi with the Bayan Group, and we'll be looking at the new editing capabilities that are available in the image web part on SharePoint. Here are some points that we will be covering: text overlay, resizing, and cropping. First, to add an image to your SharePoint site, you have to be in edit mode. Click on the plus to add the image web part. From here, you can choose any image that you want to display on your site. You can choose from any of the options on the left. For this demo, I'll be doing a web search. Click the image you want to display and click Insert. The first advancement in the image web part is text overlay. To edit the image, click on the Edit pencil in the menu bar. To add text over the image, click on this toggle to turn that feature on. As you can see, a text box has appeared on the bottom right. You can add in any text that you want in this box. Click on this Edit pencil in the upper right corner of the text box to change your text font style, size, and color. You have the option to bold your text, italicize your text, and choose your font size and the colors. The colors are predetermined by the theme of the site. You can also change the color of the text box and set its opacity as well. And you also have the option to choose between a white or black image overlay color that you can set the transparency of. If you want the image to stay as is, set the image overlay transparency to 0. This feature can be useful for when you want the text to stand out over the image. The SharePoint image web part also allows the user to move the text overlay anywhere on the image, like this. The second advancement of this web part is the resizing option. On the top editing menu, click on this button to resize your image. The third and last editing capability that we will discuss is the cropping feature. Click on the crop and aspect ratios drop-down to choose how you want to display your image. You can choose from any of these options here. When you click on one of them, you can choose what part of the image you want to display with that ratio by clicking and dragging your mouse. See your changes, click anywhere outside the image. Additionally, you can also reset the image to undo all of the changes you've made at once, returning the image to the state it was in since you last saved by clicking on this reset button. However, the reset button will not reset any of your text overlay edits. For this demo, I will not be clicking on the reset button to show you how the edited image will look on the site. Now, to see all the edits on your page, click the Update News button or Publish Page button on the top. And you can see all the edits that you've made on your image. Those were the new editing tools in the image web part on SharePoint. Thank you again for joining me in this tips and tricks video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and we will see you next time. Thank you.